Hi, I'm Friday Innocent Abbah from Nigeria. I'm a proud Texila. As a public health laboratory specialist, I sought for an institution that will provide me with a distant learning opportunity where I can further and advance my knowledge and skill in the area of public health services. And the Texila American University did not disappoint. The Texila American University learning platform is easy and user-friendly. It provides for a robust student mentorship system, which gave me the courage to pursue and to complete my program. Today, the knowledge and skill I have acquired has helped me provide support to thousands of people living with HIV in Nigeria. I have provided a public health support that focuses not just on the infirmities of individuals, but on the total well-being of the individuals that I serve. Indeed, I have come to terms with the definition of health as the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not just the absence of disease or infirmities. I want to say thank you to the management and administrators in the American University, and also recommend this university to so many individuals who are boxed with time and of course have the quest to acquire knowledge through distant learning.